All right, welcome back. Uh, so today I got my engine block, my 351 Cleveland block, and I'm gonna clean it up and put a coat of primer on it because that's all I'm gonna have time for because I'm gonna have to let it dry. So I got this from Uncle Tony's Garage on YouTube, and dude's really great. He's doing it for a long time. He's made a channel for people that are just beginning. Um, should follow him. It's really good. Subscribe to him and all this, but don't forget about me, okay? um, but yeah, he said in order for a good paint job on the block, you hit it with the torch to bring out all the moisture, and you only really have to do the torch on the parts where you're gonna be painting. So you do the torch, and then you follow it up with some acetone, which I'll show that later. But you follow it up with some acetone and get all the spots and let it dry, and then tape off the parts that you don't want painted, and then paint it. And from what I saw on his, it looked really good. He says he does it all the time. He says this is the best. He says he found that was the best way to do it. So I'm gonna do it. But yeah, here we go. So since I just got this back from the machine shop, I'm going to hit it with a torch to get all the moisture out of it. Got my acetone. I had to open it with a flathead screwdriver, but got my acetone, and I wasn't 100% on whether I should use lint-free rags, but I bought 2 of these, fairly cheap, lint-free, so it doesn't leave a bunch of stuff all over it. See how this works. I might end up using a rag, I don't know. Just pour a little bit onto here. Go to town. It's actually coming. These aren't very lint free. Getting caught on everything and is leaving fibers everywhere. Dang it. Stupid stuff. Rag it is. don't have to do all this because I'm using a brush. If I was using spray paint, I would cover all this. Yeah. Using the Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer. It looks really cool. At least it did on Uncle Tony's video. Uncle Tony's garage video. No relation. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry and then come back and put on the top coat of, I picked flat black, so it's also Rust-Oleum enamel. Tune in next time. Oh yeah, the only thing I would recommend is probably more expensive brushes. These are like 60 cents and all the hairs kept coming out of it. I had to keep picking them off of the block and stuff. So, but other than that, looks good.